Right, so we are working on a Nissan. What is this Nissan? Nissan Sun VIP. Right, so this guy have got a misfire. So I want to check which cylinder is misfiring. So we put our test meter on voltage on 20. Then here is our probes. We're gonna remove one by one plug to see. Yeah, one by one plug for the injectors and see how are they showing. Alright, so remove one. Madala is gonna test. So Madala is testing there. Let's check our readings here. Let's check our readings here. It's going minus 11 volts. Alright, put back Shinzo. Let's check number 3. Number 3. Yeah. Go to number 3. Even the idling it changes when you remove number 3. Now let's check our voltage there. It's going again 11.5, 11.6. Alright, remove number 4 Shinzo. Alright, then he removes number 4. We are checking. Here our voltage is not changing anything. There is no voltage, which means there is no power that is coming from the computer box, which means maybe the injector drive from the computer box is not giving power for cylinder number 4 injector. Then we are not getting power, then it's misfiring.